today I'm going to show you what comes with and what doesn't come with. And how does it come when at All Security Equipment we ship you a sliding gate operator from LiftMaster. You will receive your operator on a pallet because those operators are already pre-palletized, and this is the safest way to ship them. When you get it, first thing you want to do is remove the holders here and on each side, and then you can remove the box, your sensing edge kit, so you have the bumper and then the two-piece metal channel. You'll have a little bag with the accessories to finish the edge. All of the rest is going to be inside the machine itself. Unscrew this screw that holds the cover, remove the cover, and here you have all of the rest of the accessories. So you'll have a battery, the brackets that you would have to weld onto the gate with the attachment for the chain, photo eye, second monitored safety device, the chain that corresponds to the gate operator, and then you'll have the wiring diagram, manual here with the control board. So now next time you order, if you wonder where your accessories are, now you know.